What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Another duck hunt this morning. We're getting into the groove of things now. So this morning we're hunting. Oh, there's probably 35-40 birds on this a couple days ago when I scouted it. A really good mixed bag: gadwall, widgeon, teal, mallards, some divers. Pretty sure I saw a couple redheads, but it could have just been ringnecks and the sun was glistening on them just right. But anyway, this should be a pretty good hunt. We're hunting a crosswind, and my original idea was to make the J along the bank and then hook out to kind of make that kill hole right in that little curve in the decoys, but this pond is a lot deeper than I thought it was, so that option is gone, and we're just hoping that I did the best I could with the decoys for the setup we've got. So hunting out of the Lucky Duck A-frame again, and if the birds decoy, it should be a banger. If not, I don't know, it'll be interesting, so we'll see how this works out. But you guys stay tuned and enjoy. Go get that bird. Good girl. Good girl. All right. One for one. Oh, here we go, here we go. Well, 2 for 4. So I'm shooting 50% now. I shouldn't have taken those second shots. Good girl, here. Here. Right here. Good girl. Good girl. Here. Shooting it. And that's 3. Good girl. Drop. Good girl. Here. Here. And she saw it finally. I was so worried about that, I missed a couple opportunities. Here we go. And that was the first decoy bird. Good girl. Alright, we'll have to cap that mallard off here pretty soon.
Okay.
Yeah, it's obviously in here. Good girl. Right here. Right here. And here. And here. Bring it here. Right here. Right here. Right here. And right here. And here. Drop. Drop. Good girl. Good girl. Sit.
Yeah, there's some that landed.
Where?
Right in front of us. In the decoys.
Yeah, I see. And
I think she's having fun.
oh yeah. Good girl. Bring it here. Actually, I need to go cap that mallard. So here. Bring it here. Drop. Good girl. Oh, nasty. That's not near the caliber mallards that we got yesterday.
No.
Okay, that was on it. I'm gonna send her. And okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Good girl. Well, that was a waste of shells. Okay, I'm done. Go ahead and put. Good girl. Bring it here. Good girl. Bring it here.
She's bringing it around.
Right here. Good girl. Here. Here. Good girl. Right here. Right here. Right here. And good. Good girl. Good girl. Old Gaddy. Well, I'm limited out. It's your turn, baby. And here.